Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Winchester Repeating Arms Sxp. It is the 12 gauge field, 3 inch, so it'll do 2 3/4 and 3 inch, 28 inch vented rib. So it's my first time opening up this, so there she is. So we got the walnut wood stock and forend. It comes with a nice cable lock and instruction manual, owner's operating manual, I think is what it is. So nice little sticker too. Choke tube wrench, which is nice because it comes with 3 choke tubes. So that one there is the full. This one here will be the improved cylinder, and then I think inside the barrel will be a modified. Yeah, so we'll get to opening that up. Okay, so that's how she looks right out of the box. Nice black, probably a Cerakote or something. Not really a fan of the red, but it does look not too bad. Checkering's real nice. It's got a good grip to it, so that'll be nice. Won't slide, or especially if you're wearing gloves or something. And the buttstock there, it's actually nice and soft, so kind of excited to get shooting with this one. I've heard many things that people say they're kind of stiff out of the box, but we'll see. I'm going to take the trap shooting, get it broken in, and throw a couple 100 rounds through it, and we'll see if it loosens up. And then that's the forend cap, so I'm pretty sure this one will come with the plug because we're in Canada here, and because I think we're only allowed 3, 1 in the chamber, 2 in the tube, something like that. Yeah, then I'll get the barrel unpacked and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the barrel out. So like I said, it's the Winchester Sxp pump, 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 3 inch, and it takes the Invector Plus choke tubes. So we're going to be swapping them out for Carlson's. I've had good luck with them, so yeah. And then it's got a nice brass bead. I've heard they had the fiber before, or I don't know if it's just because this is the field, but I'm actually excited because I've had some with the fiber and I'm always worried about breaking it off, but that brass bead looks nice and solid, so yeah, real nice finish on it. Yeah. So I'm excited to get shooting with this, and as soon as I do, I will be back showing you and letting you know if I have any issues with it, and probably we'll do a video on the field strip for this. It's very simple. I'm pretty sure it's just 1 pin and your trigger group will come out, your slide will come out with your bolt, and yeah, pretty simple. Nice and simple. The less complicated the better, especially out in the field when you don't have tools. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing together and show you the full thing put together.